get to decide today. Do you want to carry on in the present feelings that you have? That you've made a habit of feeling that way? Or are you finally sick and tired? Hmm? You finally said, whew, I've had enough of this. And you'll feel it. You will feel the difference between mere empty words and a psychological movement. You will feel it because you feel it every day the moment you do something. When you've been following that person driving and then you get a break and because you've been following them, you're like, this bitch is in my way, taking too long. Don't ask me how I know. And then you see your opening and you take it. And the relief hits you. But you moved. You moved mentally. Listen, you moved mentally. You made the decision to pass. And then the opening to pass occurred. And then you followed through with the pass. And thus you were met with the relief. We live it every day. It's not woo-woo. It's not magic. None of that. It is law. So do you believe? Do you? Well, do you? Punk, do you believe it? Or you're like, meh, whatever. It's just words I hear. I'm trying to believe. I don't know. I don't really buy into that sort of thing, you know. Then Neville Goddard said, the only reason why we do not change is because we refuse to believe it. Thus we stay in our misery.